Alright, this is my 1987 Cub Cadet 1811. It's been in the family since it was brand new in 87. It's got 1120 hours on it. Not sure. It's probably a little bit more than that, because for a while it wasn't working and had a wire burnt in two. So give or take a couple hundred hours maybe on it. So pretty decent shape. Painted it several years ago, my dad did, and kind of put his own decals on it instead of buying the new decal kit. Eventually I'm going to repaint it all and restore it and put new decals back on it. That's my 54-inch blade, snow blade I've got on it to push snow with. Got tractor tires in the back. Got a rock shaft with weights hanging off the back for extra weight for traction. So this is cold start of the Cub Cadet 1811 with the M18 in it. There you have it. Runs pretty good.